Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 4.25 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I will chain 8. Now on the last chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. So now that we have created this loop for row 1, I'll chain 1. Then right there to that loop I'll make 12 single crochet. Now that we have made 12 single crochets, right here to this first single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Then I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. Now for row 2, I'll use yarn in different color. Then right there to that first chain, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I will chain 11. Through this next single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Chain 11. Chain 12. Then through this next single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. Chain 11. Through this next single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. Chain 11. Then through this next single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. See, I already made 6 of these flowers. See, 2 by 2. So I already joined 6, as you can see. Now I'll chain 5. So start right here through this brown flower. We have these 2 loops. Let me zoom in. So right here through this first loop from these 2, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a loop of my current work and pull through. Then I would chain 6. Now through this next single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. I have to zoom in more, it looks like. Again, I'll chain 5. Now right here through this next 11 chain loop, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a loop of my current work and pull through. Now again, I'll chain 6. Then I'll make a slip stitch right here through this next single crochet chain. Again, I'll chain 5. Now we move on right here to this green flower at the center. Then right here to that first 11 chain loop, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a loop of my current work and pull through. Again, I'll chain 6. Then right here to this next single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Again, I'll chain 5. Now right here through this next green flower, right there through the 11th chain loop, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through the loop of my current work and pull through. Again, I'll chain 6. Now through this next single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So let's see what we have so far. Alright, so we have joined our work with a brown flower and a green flower. Now we'll move on to the white flower. So again, I'll chain 5. Now right here through this next 11 chain loop of our white flower, I insert my hook, then insert my hook through the loop of my current work and pull through. I'll chain 6. Then through this next single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Again, I'll chain 5. Now through this next 11 chain loop of our white flower, I insert my hook, then insert my hook through the loop of my current work and pull through. Again, I'll chain 6. Then right here through this next single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. And now we'll chain 11. Through this next single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch, chain 11, through the next single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Let's see if we have 12 of these 11 chain loops for a blue flower. We need to make sure so we don't want to, encounter unnecessary mistakes later on. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. Now I will just chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. Now we'll weave these ends in and we'll be done. This is actually a great way to make good use of your leftover yarn. I'll actually make something. I'm not sure exactly what I'm planning to make. Actually a great way to use your leftover yarn. It just makes the flowers look different from one another. But I will make something with it though, and I'm not sure exactly what it will be, but we shall see. I really like how it looks. Generally I don't like things that are too colorful, but this actually goes well together. Now I want to make a hat out of these motifs. So right here at the center we have 1, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 motifs around that center one. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we have 12 more around these 6 motifs. So now, I've never made this before, so it'll be cool to see if this will work or not. Now I'm going to use this brown yarn, or beige. It's sort of between beige and brown. No, actually it's brown. So right here, you see right here through this loop, I insert my hook, and I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 1, and through the same loop I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Now through the same loop I'll make 1 more half double crochet. Through this next 11 chain loop I'll make 2 half double crochet. Through this next 11 chain loop I'll make 2 half double crochet. Through this next 11 chain loop, 2 half double crochet. Through the next 11 chain loop I'll make 2 half double crochet. Through this next 11 chain loop, 2 half double crochet. Through the next 11 chain loop, 2 half double crochet. Through the next 11 chain loop, 2 half double crochet. through the next 11 chain loop, 2 half double crochet, through the next 11 chain loop, 2 half double crochet, through the next 11 chain loop, 2 half double crochet, through the next 11 chain loop, 2 half double crochet. Now we repeat this all around our work. Now to finish this first row, right here through this first half double crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes this first row. Now for second row, I'll chain 1 through the same chain, I'll make 1 half double crochet. And now I'll decrease on chains 8 and 9, and this one counts as 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'll decrease in chains 8 and 9. For the next 7 chains, I'll make 1 half double crochet through each chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'll decrease through chains 8 and 9. Again, through the next 7 chains, I'll make 1 half double crochet through each chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'll decrease through chains 8 and 9. So I'll repeat this throughout this second row. Now to finish the second row, right here through this first half double crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Now for row 3, I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 half double crochet. Now I'll decrease in chains 7 and 8. But first we need to make 6 half double crochets. So this one counts as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now I'll decrease in chains 7 and 8. Again, through the next 6 chains, I'll make 1 half double crochet through each chain. Then I'll decrease in chains 7 and 8. For the next 6 chains, I'll make 1 half double crochet through each chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I'll decrease through chains 7 and 8. So I'll repeat this throughout row 3. Finish row 3, right here through this first half double crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 3. Now for row 4, I will chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 half double crochet. Now we need 5 half double crochets because we need a decrease in chains 6 and 7, and this one counts as 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we'll decrease through chains 6 and 7. For the next 5 chains, I'll make 1 half double crochet through each chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, I'll decrease through chains 6 and 7. Through the next 5 chains I'll make 1/2 double crochet through each chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and I'll decrease through chains 6 and 7. So I'll repeat this throughout row 4. Now to finish row 4, right here through this first half double crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 4. Now for row 5, I think this should be our last row of decreases. I'll chain 1 and through the same chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. And now for this row we will decrease in chains 5 and 6. But first we need to make 4 half double crochets, 1/2 double crochet through each chain. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I'll decrease through chains 5 and 6. Again through the next 4 chains I'll make 1/2 double crochet through each chain. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now decrease through chains 5 and 6. For the next 4 chains I'll make 1/2 double crochet through each chain. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now decrease through chains 5 and 6. So yeah, for row 5 we'll just decrease through chains 5 and 6. Now to finish row 5, right here through this first half double crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 5. Now we'll not be decreasing anymore, but we'll just be working in our existing half double crochet chains. So for row 6 I'll chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain 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 1/2 double crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 6. So yeah, we just continue working through our existing half double crochets, and I'm not sure for how many rows we repeat this, but I'll come back and I'll let you know. Let's see how many rows we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, we have 9 rows in total. Now to finish, right here through this first half double crochet chain, I insert my hook, then I'll join these 2 stitches there. Now to finish row 9, right here through this first half double crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn, and we'll weave these ends in. I should have a yarn needle, but I have to go somewhere to get it. Which, I actually like how this turned out. It looks so nice. Turned out better than I thought it would. Okay, I don't have a ruler here to measure this, but it's for adults. You can actually fit teens as well. I really like this hat. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching.